He was in this he was on this window, and now he come back. He's over here. Oh my goodness. Look at him. He must be hungry. That's why he's still climbing down here just to get food. Wow. What he do? He just jumped down?
Just felt boom. I felt the flower. Look at it.
Oh, he's hungry. Okay. We'll give you food, okay? Just give me a minute. Look, he just went swimming. You know that they swim in the water?
Mm-hmm.
They're
Oh
like.
my goodness! I completed the task with
Trade those 3s back for the 5s, and keeping your arms in a 90-degree angle. You're going to go ahead and turn, tilting over slightly through your tailbone and your knees. Pull your elbows back, and you're going to extend your arms straight and slowly lower. Now the key with this is to keep a nice long spine. Weight is in the heels. Back is slightly arched. Elbows straighten and bend. Here we go. Good. Now the key is to keep that posture while you're straightening and bending the elbows. Keep going. 15, 14. Nice long frame. Good.
He had a long nail on his hand and his leg.
10.
Very long nail.
9. Watch your posture. 8. Chin tucked
See,
in.
look.
Nice long neck. Straighten those elbows. You're going to feel your triceps.
The sharp
burning.
claw.
4 more. We're going to do static in 3. Good. In 2. Now hold those triceps, elbows stay straight. Now pulse 10 times up with straight arms. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Through your knees, go ahead and stand on up. Trade these 5s again for the 3s and go back into position.
Now he go back in a blanket to keep himself warm.
Do single arms and run them fast for power. Hinge over at your waist, pull elbows back. 1 arm at a time. 1, 2, 3. All the way to 30. Those burnt out triceps are going to get their last bit of opportunity for tone and strength. Keep going. 20, 19. Here's 10, 9, 8,